let's see how to use the custom function. Okay, go here, custom. So what I have given here is to allow only text, right? It should give you can enter only text. So the formulas only. Basically, if you know the formulas, any formulas you can provide here and check your condition. This is text, because I am just checking whether the entered value is text or not. Select the cell. You can say select the first cell or any cell, it will apply in the entire selected range. Okay, it's text, click OK. So now let me give number. You can't. If you enter text, then it will allow. Okay, 1 2, again some number, it won't allow. Retry 3. So that's